How to update AMD graphic driver? Search for AMD software, search it and open it. Once opening, after the right hand side, check drivers and software. It contains the current version. Check the version of the software. Once checking, after, come back, open up browser, go to the official website of AMD, download and install the latest version. Depends on your device. You can download by clicking download Windows driver, or depends on your device, you can search it and download it. You can search or browse drivers by using this. Click here, search and browse it. It's downloading right now. Wait for a couple of seconds to download completely. Once the download complete, after, click it and install it. It's already up to date. So this is how to update your drivers. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.